You can see how the infill came out. The supports are interesting, how they wiggle back and forth like little mazes. Looking at the print up close, I could have done a better job, but it was really nice how it came out. We'll check out the printer and the Metro rack it's standing on. Got a good setup going. Just gotta clean up. This model was for a man and his son. It was to a pedal car for his kid. It came out really nice. He asked me to print more items. Hubcaps, I'll probably make some more videos about that. Just let me know in the comments below.